So grouting is not that difficult, but it does require some effort and it can take quite a bit of time. So if you're going to tackle the job, do yourself a favor and don't cheap out on the grout. Invest in a better quality product and you'll find that it will apply easier, it'll last longer, and it'll look way better. First thing you want to do before applying any grout is clean up in between your tile. If there's any excess mortar sticking out, take a tool such as an Olfa knife and trim it off. Be careful not to press too hard as you don't want to chip your tile. Once your tile is all cleaned up, read the back of your grout box and it will tell you how much to mix based on the width of your tile spacing. Usually it's about 3 parts dry grout to 1 part water. I find an easy way to mix up grout is to pour some in my wife's salad bowl and then use her mixer. When she sees this video, she's probably going to kill me. You want a pretty good consistency, somewhere between pancake batter and peanut butter. After mixing, you want to let it sit for about 5 minutes and then give it one more stir before applying. When applying, scoop some out of the bowl with a grout float like the one I'm using here, and fill in the space thoroughly. Make sure to fill the whole void and then wipe off any excess on a 45-degree angle. Once your grout is applied, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then use a clean sponge and a bucket of water. Wet your sponge and wring it out so it's just slightly damp. Then wipe off any grout residue that sticks to the top of your tile. The idea here is just to clean up the tile but not disturb the grout in between the tile too much. And be careful where you place your hands and feet as well, so you don't accidentally dig out any grout. After about 4 hours, come back with a clean rag and you can polish up your tile.
Well, I think this grout turned out really nice. If you got something out of this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!